Are you a person who is finding it difficult to use the appropriate words or phrases while writing or speaking? If you are a person who is finding it very difficult, then you are in a right place. Because today I am going to give you some information. Along with that, I am going to give you some hacks by which you will be able to resolve this particular issue. Hi, this is Niharbhushan Naik, the Chief Facilitator of ODCH. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, interjection, and conjunction. What are they? There are 2 things that you have to explore. Number 1, what kind of words they are. In other words, the name of the word. Secondly, you have to find out the uses of the words. If you know these 2 things, moving ahead it will help you out to use them or use all of the 8 words, different kinds of words, in a right way. Noun is called a naming word. Pronoun is a replacing word. Adjective is a describing word. Verb is an action word. Adverb is a modifying word. Preposition gives us or shows us the information about time, place, direction, or a relationship between 2 words or phrases in a sentence. Interjection gives us the feeling or it expresses the feeling, and conjunction is a connecting word. Dear friends, these are the few information. Now, I've given you 2 things to know. They are the 2 hacks. If you know what kind of word it is, and if you know the use of that, then it will be very easy for all of us to use the appropriate word while writing or while speaking. Was it helpful? If it was really helpful and you want to know more about it, then you can just click on the link which is given in the bio and subscribe our channel to get more information along with hacks like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.